Okay, so it appears this house is up for demolish. So apparently they're going to break it down and redo the entire thing, because that's what it looks like. So this is the side of the house. Hope you guys can hear me. Trash man is here today. Let's step over into, let's take a look at the back. This is the back of the house. I see the electric panel is over here. I have to get an image of that. This appears to be some sort of storage. Has to be. And when you have stuff that's all over the property, you have to get an image of all of the detached buildings. So I will be getting an image of all of that as well. Let's take a look at the other side of the property and let's see what we have going on. So demolish. And now that looks like that used to be a garage, but clearly it's not. But we'll see in a little bit. And yeah, so they are working on it, and they just got it a little over, was it a month? Let me take a look once again, because I forget. Yeah, it's been a month since they got this property. All right, so we're gonna go around because this location, all of the questions were already answered over the phone. So I am the only one here. I wonder is that the gas down there in that hole, because I didn't see the gas. Ugh. All right, we will find out. So let's go around and we're gonna see, can we get in here? First, let me get a few images real quick and then I'll come back. Ready to level up your field inspection career? Well, at dmichelle.com, we've got everything you need to succeed all in one place. From step-by-step digital downloads that simplify inspections to central gear and apparel that keeps you ready for every job. And if you're serious about growth, my mentorship programs and the launch pads give you insider strategies to land contracts, stand out, and scale your business fast. Whether you're just starting or ready to go further, dmichelle.com is here to help you win. Visit today and let's build your future together.
It's usually easier to get it.
Okay.
You'll see how's your day going.
Oh, I can't complain at all. It is. Okay. Yeah. And what is that? What is this right here? Is that a?
So that's the thing. I think it was just a shed that they had built up.
Oh, and they just didn't. Okay. All right. Well, I'll get to it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You can go to look here if you want. Right here.
Is this your lemon tree?
Yes, it is. It is.
All right. So I can just open this one?
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Thanks. That's what you call when the neighbors want to help you. All right, so let's see, can we get inside? And there's a lock box on the door. All right, I had to lock the door so I can make sure I'm the only one in this joint. And yeah, someone didn't take care of it, worth nothing. But make sure it's a nice neighborhood. So I just got to make sure. Look at there, why don't you? Okay. Yeah, it's been here a while. That's what it is. It's been here a while. And yeah. Ooh. That's crazy. Let's finish looking and making sure that I'm the only one here. As though it was a fire. Is it mold or is that a fire? Ugh, I can't even tell. Ugh. You know what? At least I am the only one here. It's not creepy at all, guys. See, it's in the middle of the day. There's nothing going on, absolutely nothing. So I am going to turn this off really quick because I don't have but one video, and I'm going to get some images because this company wants images of all of the damages. There goes the sub panel right there. All of the damages and all that's inside of this place. And so I have a few images that I need to be getting. And I'll holler back at y'all. Well, let me turn it around. I'll holler back at you. Well, gas main is not down here. Fine and dirty. Alright. Let's see the gas. All right, so I can't find the gas, but I did manage to get all of my images that I needed to get. And I have locked the building back up. So I don't have to worry about anybody prowling around and going inside of it. But now as far as the gas main is not found. So it has to be down deep off in the crawl space somewhere. But the ones that I could open up and actually look, I couldn't find it. So we won't have an image of that. But we did indeed get the rest of it. Woo! We hate to put these arms out, y'all, because, you know, this weather here give you the weebie-jeebies. But I don't see it, so they might have taken it up because they are demolishing the place. But that is what it looks like. Nobody's in there but me. No need to be afraid. Get in there and get it done. And it's paid just like any other commercial inspection. And that's how it is. There's no reason for anybody to concern themselves with that. Let me tell you something. Let me go ahead and get this out. If you're working for a company that's sending you places to look at locations, and these locations are closed off, no one lives there, they're private little old spots, and they're in shady areas, you know, I guess sometimes you would have a reason to be a little bit concerned. This is a very nice neighborhood. It just appears to have been a house that's been there for a long time. The inside needs updating very bad, which means that someone lived there probably for decades upon decades before it was actually repurchased. And there is no light in there. And even if I'm looking at it, when I get close enough, it looks as though it's mold. But then when I step back and take a good angle, it looks as though it could have been a fire. But it's not for me to be decide exactly what it is, because every room is looking like that. It could most definitely be mold. I'm just going to push toward that because it's in every room. Okay. But yeah, I got everything I needed to get. That back thing used to be a garage, but apparently they've turned it into something else. I was able to open the door and it has a lot of other supplies and stuff like that inside of there. So it was not used as a garage, but I still had to get all of the detachments that are on this site. And there you have it. That's how you go in and get it done. Okay. And when I asked all of the questions, they gave me all of the answers. This was over a week ago, so that's already been done. So when I get home with this one, the only thing I got to do is upload these photos and press submit. Simple, easy peasy. All right. I hope they put somebody's mind at ease. I know it's going to look a little creepy to some of you, but at the end of the day, it's a job. Just like I said before, inspections ain't for everybody. Because it ain't all daisies and roses. Some days you got to do a little something. Like climb up under and see can you find the gas main. All right. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because you know I'll be bringing you back something later. Let me go on ahead and hit this freeway. I have to go to the other side of town today. Yeah, I'm skipping and hopping it today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.